Imagine this: fertile green land capable of feeding entire villages, slowly turning into barren wasteland. Crops fail, animals starve, and families are forced to migrate. This is not a scene from a dystopian movie. It's happening right now, all over the world. This silent crisis is called desertification, and if left unchecked, it could affect every single one of us. But what is desertification, and why should you care? Let's break it down. Desertification doesn't mean the spread of deserts like the Sahara or the Thar suddenly taking over cities. No, it's far more insidious. It refers to land degradation in arid, semi-arid, and dry subhumid areas, caused primarily by human activities and climatic variations. This degradation makes the soil infertile, affecting biodiversity, food security, and even our climate. According to the United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification, more than 24 billion tons of fertile soil are lost every year due to desertification. That's equivalent to losing farmland the size of South Korea every single year. Desertification isn't a new phenomenon. In the 1930s, the United States experienced the Dust Bowl, a man-made disaster. Overfarming and poor agricultural practices, combined with drought, turned fertile lands into dust storms. Thousands of families were displaced, sparking a major migration. This was one of the earliest warnings about how human actions can degrade the land. But have we learned our lesson? Not really. Today, desertification impacts over 2 billion people across the globe. In Africa's Sahel region, it has led to food scarcity, conflict over dwindling resources, and mass migrations. In India, the Thar Desert is expanding at an alarming rate. According to a report by ISRO, nearly 30% of India's total geographical area is undergoing degradation. But what's causing this? Well, desertification is the result of a deadly cocktail of human activities and climate change. Deforestation. Trees prevent soil erosion, retain moisture, and regulate the climate. Cutting them down for agriculture or urbanization accelerates degradation. Overgrazing. Livestock strip the land bare of vegetation, leaving the soil exposed. Unsustainable agriculture. Monocropping and overuse of chemical fertilizers reduce soil fertility. Climate change. Rising temperatures and unpredictable rainfall make arid areas even drier. You might think this is just a rural issue, but it's not. Desertification has a ripple effect that touches everyone. Fewer crops mean higher food prices. Degraded land means more carbon in the atmosphere, worsening climate change. In fact, the UN estimates that by 2045, 135 million people could be displaced due to desertification. Imagine the strain this would put on cities, economies, and international relations. Fortunately, it's not all doom and gloom. There are solutions, and they work. Agroforestry. Combining trees with crops can restore soil health. The Great Green Wall. African nations are planting a massive wall of trees to stop the Sahara from spreading. Regenerative agriculture. Practices like crop rotation and organic farming rejuvenate the land. Policy interventions. Governments must invest in sustainable practices and incentivize reforestation. Desertification is a problem we cannot afford to ignore. It's about more than saving trees. It's about saving lives, food security, and our planet's future. The solutions are there, but they need political will, funding, and public awareness to scale up. So, here's your challenge. Start small. Plant a tree. Support sustainable products. Push for policies that protect our environment. Remember, every small action counts when 8 billion people decide to act. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What's one thing you can do to fight desertification? Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Let's work together to protect our planet.